How about you? What's going on, Mixon Nice? So today we are going to do a challenge by the BarGodz. Thanks to Teresa, Train Teresa. You can follow her on Instagram. Long story short, this workout is going to consist of 15 pull-ups, 30 push-ups, 10 pull-ups, 15 squats, and 20 push-ups. Now, I know it seems like an easy thing to do, but this is the catcher. We're going to try to do this within 90 seconds. So you have 90 seconds to complete all of these exercises within that given time, okay? So we're going to try that. I just finished running 6 miles, so that's my excuse if I don't get to it. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your push notifications, and also hit that like button if you're going to try this yourself. And hit the like button for me too, because make sure you like what I'm doing here. And also too, let me know if you like it. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and take off this hoodie, and we're going to get started. I got to keep on talking because it's got some music here that will get me demonetized. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and strip for you guys. All right, so we're gonna start off. All right, so we're gonna start off here with the pull-ups, 15 pull-ups. Let me go ahead and get my watch. Situated so I can do my calorie count too as well. All right, so we're all set to go. So we're gonna do some pull-ups here at the top. We're gonna start there. We're gonna drop down to 30 push-ups. From there, we go back up to the bar for 15 pull-ups, and then we're gonna go back down for some squats, and then we're gonna go 20 push-ups. So I stretched a little bit, so I feel like I'm warmed up. So yeah, ready to go? Ready to go? All right, so let's go. All right, let me go ahead and start it. How'd I do? I don't know if that was 90 seconds or not, but make sure you count my reps, okay? Because I don't know how many I did, but I'm gonna put the timer up there for you so you can see what's going on. I want you guys to try the challenge. Remember, it's the BarGodz challenge. 15 pull-ups, 30 push-ups, 10 pull-ups, 15 squats, and 20 push-ups. This is no joke. Within that time, I'm ready to sweat, all right? So try it out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the push notifications, and I'll catch you on the next challenge. Peace.